Danke bafethu, welcome back to Mkhuliso wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Indaba ze-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ezinye esizaziyo, ezinye esingazazi. But I wanna talk about ucoach o-interested ucoach i-Kaizer Chiefs, ucoach one-experience bafethu futhi ohlakaniphe kakhulu. Ngibheke ne-profile lakhe, usebenze kuma-academies a-different laphana e-Europe. Uke waba uyi-sporting director currently, so ucoach nje osebenza kuma-department a-different laphana. And then ngizokhuluma ngoMduduzi Shabalala, ngiphinde ngikhulume ngezinto nje ezi-different laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So nawa amagama lokhu u-Allen bafethu ucoach wakhona mebam-interviewer uthi ubelieve ukuthi i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ihlukile kunamanye ama-teams ala e-South Africa in terms of what they have achieved overall. So uthi ukucoacha i-team uthi kumele uyihloniphe i-team lesi, uma uwucoach kumele uyihloniphe i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, ukwazi ukubuilda from what they have, and then kumele u-understand ukuthi uma ufuna ukuphumelela ethimini efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs kumele wenze ama-analysis. Kusho ukuthi kumele you have to do your own studies, u-analyze, ubheke izinto, ube yi-good analyst, ukwazi ukuproducer ama-results a-right. Uthi but-ke if uyafeyila uku-read ama-situation kahle, uthi-ke chances would be that uzokwenza nawe amaphutha noma uzothatha ama-decisions a-wrong. Uyasho-ke ucoach Allen. Uyaqhubeka-ke laphana uthi ngeke upractice i-defense kuphela or i-offense kuphela, kumele ukwazi nokusebenza laphana ku-transition. Uthi-ke ama-principles amele abe clear ngempela kuwo wonke umuntu laphana ethimini, wonke umuntu a-understand i-role yakhe, okuzo-create-a i-confidence nokubuilda i-winning mentality overall. Uthi yena as a coach, you have to bring everyone with you, i-staff, ama-players, ne-club overall. Uthi because ngeke ikwazi ukusebenza i-team if are divided as a team. Kusho ukuthi nje kumele nibe into eyodwa. I think masibreak it down i-statement sakhona. I mean, it's very interesting. Ushaya isikhonkosini ngempela. Mate, you cannot be divided. Kaizer Chiefs no-Coach Nabi, they've been divided for so long bafowethu. I mean, Coach Nabi uwini i-Nedbank Cup, but bekuthiwa uzoxoshwa laphana no-Coach Nabi kuphuma lezo yindaba lezo. Mebuzwa naye uthi bewaye-surprise. So i-Kaizer Chiefs beyinganayo i-confidence ku-Coach Nabi, but even nama-player bengangabhiliveli ku-Coach Nabi. Ngihlezi ngisho uma ngikhuluma ngo-Coach Nabi ngithi even nabo Zwane laphana kuma-interviews bebathi sebaqala ukum-understand u-coach, meaning that the first season bebangam-understand at all, or bebakhuluma nje benzela i-media ukuthi i-media mhlampe ingahlaseli u-coach, bakwazi ukuprotect u-coach overall, but-ke nje bebangam-understand ama-players amaningi. And i-Kaizer Chiefs management no-Coach Nabi kudala-ke baklashwa ngendaba yani ama-player, because u-Coach Nabi akatholanga ne-player elilodwa Nkosi yami, leli lama-player yena bekawafuna wase-Tanzania overall. But simfisela inhlanhla u-Coach Allen lo wase-Sweden, sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani ezakhe, ukuthi maybe ngelinye ilanga uyoyithola i-chance yoku-coach i-Kaizer Chiefs, because this is a big thing for Amajita, noma ngithi ama-co-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs at the moment, uCedric no-Ben Yusuf, ukuthi baziprove laphana ebholeni lase-South Africa, baziprove ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bangakwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-team enkulu kangaka bafethu, ene-pressure e-serious laphana ku-Kaizer. I-pressure i-serious kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. But-ke asimuveni siye kuMduduzi Shabalala. Ngiqala nje ngokuthi congratulations to uMduduzi Shabalala ngokungena laphana kuBafana Bafana, full debut yakhe kuBafana Bafana, ku-professional setup, noma ngithi ku-senior team yeBafana Bafana. Siyazi abanye abantu bathi udlale 3 minutes ungene late, but-ke wangena nje egrawundini bafethu, shayile. Leyo nto le iya-counter kuma-books wakho ukuthi uke wadlala kuBafana Bafana. So sobona ukuthi going forward bazoba nayo i-confidence kuye umfana, but-ke I think noma kuthiwa uthola isikhathi esincane kangakanani laphana ku-national team, but-ke he has to build from le nto le. I mean, ubonile ukuthi iBafana Bafana as a unit banga-achieve-ani, naye as a player, as an individual kumele abe nama-goals azisethela wona ukuthi okay, ku-Kaizer Chiefs ufuna uku-achieve 1 2 3, achieve 1 2 3 and become one of the biggest stars ku-P_S_L, ngoba-ke unalo ithalente ukuthi angaba one of the biggest stars, but mentally kumele abe strong. Ulokhu njana uShabalala bafowethu, because it's not easy ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, siya-understand. Ayekele indaba yakhe yitayela, ashaya itayela, but isikhathi mesi-right kufana noVilakazi, sinokumbona eligibela ibhola lapha no-Kaizer Chiefs, but uyasazi isikhathi sokuligibela and uyasazi isikhathi sokuba serious. So naye kumele uShabalala abe nebhalansi kuzo zonke lezo zinto lezo. Yeah man, oh nayo enye into engifuna ukuyikhuluma. Bekunama-rumours amakhulu bafethu going around ukuthi uPatrick Mabedi, i-former Kaizer Chiefs player, at the same time i-former assistant coach laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bekunama-rumours kuthiwa potentially uyabuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs izama uku-negotiate naye. Kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikwazanga-ke ukumthola because of i-team yaseTanzania iyanga, le ecoachwa ulo coach lo ubecoacha namaZulu okabe assistant coach laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, yiyo emtholile uPatrick Mabedi edili laphana behind closed doors or behind the scenes or ku-technical team yabo overall. So congratulations to him. Kaizer Chiefs, they missed out on him. Kusho ukuthi aba-actanga fast. By the time ba-actor, he was closing on idili neyanga yalaphana eTanzania. So congratulations to Patrick Mabedi. He's not coming back to Kaizer Chiefs. I wanna touch on izinto zakaNtwari again. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngikhulume ngayo eceleni, but it's very important for me ukuyi-mention lento le. Ucoach walaphana eRwanda for almost unyaka bafethu njalo bekhuluma ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs kumele imdlalise. uNtwari is the best, one of the best goalkeepers on the continent. Bona ba-patient, abamdlalisi ngani, abamdlalise lo goalkeeper uyadeserve ukudlala. Udlalile against iBafana Bafana la bekuyi-match enkulu khona, akumele aziprove ngempela ukuthi why adeserve ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. La wonke umuntu o-around i-Kaizer Chiefs beyibukela igame, i-anticipation beyinkulu around uNtwari. Guess what? He gave away like 2 goals. Uhlulekile ukuphera nje ibhola ngephawu. That's it. So I mean, obviously back to being number 3 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs or number 2 ukuthi abe number 1 not hayi manje. Ama-performances noma kuthiwa igame eyodwa mfethu uyakwazi ukuzibonakalisa ukuthi uyadeserve ukuba u-number 1, but from what we've seen against iBafana Bafana, he can't be number 1 ku-Kaizer Chiefs yet. I wanna tap on something engiyibonile laphana. Ucoach owacoacha uPule Modi uthi iKaizer Chiefs idlalisa uPule Modi ku-position e-wrong. Akuyona i-position kaPule Modi le ayidlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi uPule Modi even naku-Golden Arrows waye-excela kupheze number 10, kula angadlala kahle kakhulu khona, a-create nama-opportunities, ashaye namagoli nama-assist. And he went on to say uPule Modi akusiwo umdlalo ozoskwera ibhola, so isikhathi esiningi uyakhatha, or iKaizer Chiefs yiso isitayela abasibhekile lapho from uPule Modi ukuthi akhathe inside isikhathi esiningi. And ngiyasizwa i-statement sakalo khunjani saka-coach yakhe or former coach yakhe, isi-valid because mina uPule Modi nginokumcriticize ngithi lo muntu akakuskwera ibhola, isikhathi esiningi is predictable because he will take players on, ufuna ukubalanda ababhithe. Uma ehluleka ukubhitha ama-player then uyajika nebhola, like wenza into eyodwa uyajika nebhola uzophasa back to emuva or i-left back uma imsupport. But-ke he's not giving that much. Maybe-ke as u-number 10 angakwazi ukwenza ngcono laphana, kangcono kakhulu uPule Modi, but at the same time laphana ku-number 10 i-competition i-tight because of idlala number 10 kusho ukuthi kumele akhiphe uMdu Shabalala, kumele akhiphe uGustin Sirino because uGustin Sirino yes u-versatile but as number 10 udlala kuleya role leya ayi-replace uShabalala. So uPule Modi kule situation le uzobe kuphi because badinga umuntu ozokwazi ukuskwera amabhola, especially ngoba manje kubuya Igataro, badinga amabhola abafethe eboxini bawafake eboxini, bangasabi ukuwafaka. And then iplayer elifana no-Igataro is gonna be able to lokhunjana to give his best. Uyakwazi ukuwa-header amabhola, ama-mistake laphana uyakwazi ukuwaqedelela. So ukuskwera ibhola kubalulekile for iKaizer Chiefs. OModi abaliskwera ibhola, bafuna ukulidlala phansi ibhola kakhulu balincenge, but-ke there are times la kumele bavele nje bafake ibhola ebhokisini. But-ke ngeke uvele ufake ibhola ebhokisini uthole ukuthi une-striker esifishane kufana nabo-Du Preez. On the day kumele ubheke ukuthi ubani olaphana ebhokisini, and then-ke bakudlala laba abane-advantage nyana, abane-physique, uzokwazi-ke bazokwazi ukuskwera ibhola, but they need ibhola ebhokisini, which is lacking from i-game model eKaizer Chiefs overall laphana. Nomunye yet again omunye okhulume ngoMayo ukuthi uMayo abamsebenzisi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so bangamswitch. Ile nto leyo ku-Kaizer Chiefs ebengisho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs nokubona sebaya-switch-a but abaswitch for isikhathi eside. So ubona lese uSilva useceleni, noLong useceleni, uGustin Sirino sekadrifta laphana ngathi uba yi-number 9. Ayilast isikhathi eside into yakhona, but bayenza each and every game ngiyayibona into yakhona. So maybe uMayo uyakwazi ukudlala esayidini but akanayo leyo bestirring pace njengabanye abadlali. So uthi ubhuti lana kumele bamdlalise uMayo laphana as i-strike i-traditional number 9 bakwazi ukumfida amabhola and then bazokwazi ukubhenefitha kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Nami mengibheka iy'trayikhi ey'khona at the moment ku-Kaizer Chiefs or lezi sezinikwe i-chance, Umayo is better than most of these guys in terms of i-talent, in terms of i-pedigree. And Umayo sikhumbule ukuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele emisele kakhulu because udlalela i-permanent contract. Njengoba angakasayini i-permanent contract ne-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-performances wakhe lawa manje yiwo azodetermine ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyamnika i-permanent contract and then they buy him from i-contract yakhe leya anayo laphana e-Algeria, or they don't buy him at all. Konke kulele kuphi? Kumayo ukuthi a-perform at the end of the day and get i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-results, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs kula azodicide khona ukuthi okay siyamsayina permanent or asimsayini permanent, but kune-clause ezoforce i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi imsayine, but on what basis? Kumele a-perform. Without ukuperforma ngeke bamnike i-permanent deal ngiyala bafowethu. So it was difficult even ukuthi bamthole, kumele yena azame ngempela ukudeliver laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Sibuya ku-international break la bafana qualify khona for i-World Cup. I-Kaizer Chiefs beyidinga bafowethu le FIFA break. Why ngithi beyidinga i-FIFA break? Because baqale kahle isizini yesi and then baluza i-momentum, baluza i-form yabo, baluza i-pedigree in terms of win ama-games, ukuba highly competitive. Something was not right laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So I mean ukuhlehla kancane from ama-competitive game for some time, babukela ama-national team, it was good for them ukuthi babuyise i-energy yabo esekuqaleni la baqale umfutho abaqale ngawo isizini, and possibly they really can grow from maybe ama-good results mabangawathola, yabona. But i-step sokuqala sikuphi? Njengoba bazodlala neSimba, they have to beat iSimba leya laphana eCongo and then advance to ama-group stages we-CAF Confederations Cup and then build a confidence from there-ke. But bazoyibhilda kanjani? Ngama-game ukuwawina. They have to win ama-game. They have no excuse ukuthi bangawawini ama-game. They have to win ama-game. Ku-continental level they have to compete. Hhayi ukuthi ku-continental level kumele kubonakale iMamelodi Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates kuphela. Nabo bayi-Kaizer Chiefs, one of the biggest teams in South Africa. They have to give their all, they have to compete, they have to be there, they have to fight. My biggest worry ama-opportunities wabo ukuthi bayadlala ukudlala, ba-connect, but final third they are poor. Ukuthatha ama-opportunities they are poor. Bayageja la bantu laba bafowethu. Yizinto kumele balungiseke in terms of like to bury those opportunities whenever you're given a chance to score. Bury that chance to score, make sure that you score a goal. So if uthola ama-chance, they say awu-6 a game, ama-clear chance, at least kora 3 mfethu, ihalf yala ama-chance lawa wathola ama-clear cut chance, like bamista ama-chance like a-obvious kakhulu, but-ke kumele ba-improve. No-Lilepo, uLilepo, he could easily be one of the leaders of i-Kaizer Chiefs overall, but-ke at times decision making yakhe ipoor, but-ke he is the one like umuntu ongakwazi ngempela ukubalwela ku-Kaizer Chiefs nokubasiza, especially on the continental level overall laphana. Yeah, ziyabuya but ebholeni lase-South Africa bafethu akukho easy laphana ukudlala. I-Kaizer Chiefs ku-statement sayo bathe bafethu they're gonna welcome amanye ama-players ambalwa from injury. So bona lawo ma-player ukuthi obani, ukuthi bazoba fully full isquad sabo now, or bazoshoda ngabantu nje abafew kancane. I don't know if uHlongwane uzobe ready because of ulimale, sekuneviki ngathi alimele or iy'nsuku lapho nje sezilanda iviki or seliphelile iviki angazi. I don't know i-injury yakhe ukuthi ilong kangakanani or i-short, but-ke sithemba ukuthi umfana uzoba right man, abe ready ukukwazi ukutravela ne-team. Andize umfana e-England la yokompyutha khona no-Manchester United, so ngifisela inhlanhla lapho. There's something that I thought of earlier on. Hey bafowethu, ama-laws, i-P_S_L idinga ukubheka i-league yayo overall, i-re-evaluate ezinye izinto. I mean uvele bayi noBatman basayiniwe i-Kaizer Chiefs, ibasayina mahhala, ibathatha ku-Ajax. Sengithi manisi, why ngithi i-Ajax Cape Town, but yes i-Ajax Cape Town just nje i-Cape Town Spurs, manje sokuthiwa i-Cape Town Spurs. So mangithi imithetho ku-P_S_L i-wrong, kukhulunywe ngemali. I'm not gonna mention abantu laba bebakhuluma ngemali ngoba angifuni ukubafaka la because of bazothi ngithatha izinto zabo and then ngizifaka kuma-public platforms kanti bokuyi-conversation ephakathi kwethu. So I wanna say Mekubhekwa laphana ku-P_S_L khona abadlali namhlanje ku-2025 ku-P_S_L ba-registered ku-P_S_L bahola ama-5,000 rand, right? So, iyiqiniso na lento le ukuthi ku-professional league, i-league esithi thina i-professional, akuna-salary cap, akuna-entry ukuthi okay once you can't ngeke uthi iplayer li-operate-a nge-contract ye-D_D_C but already urejistile kuphi ku-P_S_L and ama-team amaningi ayayenza lento le which is unfair for ama-player. Once wamrejista umuntu ku-P_S_L noma kuthiwa angeke adlale unyaka wonke, umbuyisela ku-D_D_C team yakho or kwenzakalani but you can't be paying players i-5,000. I'm not saying ngenza i-example by the way, ngenza i-example ngoVelebaya. I'm not saying oVelebaya bahola iy'mali eyi-serious ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, bathole ama-signing on fee oma-millions, so banama-millions nje manje bahleka bonke bodwa baye emabhenki. But I'm saying i-C_E_O yakhona le u-Alex ukhulumile naye ukuthi okay ziningi izinto imithetho okumele utshentshe ku-P_S_L and mase sihlala sesiyibheka sibheka ama-salary cap wakwamanye ama-league and so forth, siyabona nakula ku-P_S_L kumele kwenziwe leyo nto leyo ukuthi okay alikho iplayer eli-professional elizohola less than 30,000 uku-avoid-a zonke lezi zinto lezi. Kuthiwa walirejista iplayer you are forced ukuthi okay uma liholela kancane lese niholela at least 20,000 abafana abancane laba abano-19, 18 whatever laba ababuya ku-D_D_C team enibafuna ku-first team but ku-P_S_L ayenziwa leyo nto leyo. So that is why ngibuza lento le ukuthi do we have a professional league noma i-professional ku-Orlando Pirates, ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ku-Mamelodi Sundowns. At the same time even nakuma-big three inokwenzeka lento. I won't dive deep khona-ke ngoba kuzothiwa abantu ngi-attack-a ama-team wabo but inokwenzeka nakhona. Umthetho ku-P_S_L uphi lapho? Uqinile umthetho noma awuqinanga ku-P_S_L? Kuthiwani kanje because umthetho kumele u-protect ama-player because it's embarrassing masizwa ama-salaries noma sibona ama-salaries wamanye ama-players. I'll go back to this thing ukubonisa abantu cause abantu abanye ngeke bazothi hhayi ku-P_S_L wonke ama-player ahola u-40,000, 50,000, 60,000 ayikho into enjalo. UMkhize ama-salaries wakhe bewa-public. Angithukanga because I knew then because I used to hear about this thing. Khona ama-player abawahola u-4,000 fully registered umuntu odlala ku-P_S_L, a full registered senior team hola 4,700 kuyiqiniso naloko bafowethu. So elikini overall ziningi izinto okumele zibhekwe, I mean kube ne-cap, kube i-governing body yebhola lase-South Africa which is i-SAFA collaboration ne-P_S_L kuhlalwe phansi baxoxe indaba e-straight ukuthi okay asibe ne-cap ukuthi i-entry wage nayi akekho umdlali okumele ahole ngaphansi kwalento le, kwale mali le. Ngiyazi ukuthi ama-team adonsa kanzima, create systems ukuthi nalama-teams lawa amancane they can recoup from ama-T_V rights. Ngizoyichaza lento yama-T_V rights because ngithi ama-T_V rights abantu bazoba excited cause kumele ngiyichaze ibe yinde. Ama-team ase-South Africa awanawo ama-T_V rights wonke bafowethu and leyo nto leyo akusiyiqiniso or like ayenzi sense but ngizoyichaza kwenye i-clip ngoba yinde into yakhona but ngingakha no izofuna ngiyichaze ukuthi abantu bayi-understand-e kahle ukuthi ngithini mangithi abanama-T_V rights ngoba u-SuperSport ukhona, ngiyi-break-e down kahle ukuthi nomuntu ongayazi into yama-T_V rights ayizwe ukuthi ngithini. Ama-team anama-T_V rights engiwaziyo mina maybe khona abanye abawaziyo awu-2 kuphela, i-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs futhi nabo akusiyo ama-direct T_V rights, ibizwa ngenye into cause manje uma bazothi i-Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs banama-T_V rights wonke ama-team azothi apha ama-T_V rights ethu thina and then sokuqala inkinga. At the same time siya-understand ukuthi Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs abenza imali for i-league, that is why bona bazothola i-special treatment because Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates mabangathi okay yonke i-team mayithola ama-T_V rights wabo, guess what amanye ama-team ngeke enze imali at all, ayokwenza imali meyidlala ne-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela. Cabanga i-league yonke wena uthole imali mawudlala ama-game awu-2 kuphela and mawuse-home kula u-entitled khona ama-T_V rights wakho. So they have to try and build ama-systems la wonke ama-teams abhenefithayo. Yes, ikhona i-grant last time bekuthiwa 250,000 a month which is not enough because wonke ama-team bewangenza ama-millions ku-P_S_L ngale nto le yama-T_V rights but ngeke ngingene kuyo kakhulu because ngizozama ukuyichaza ngesinye isikhathi bafethu because yinde le ndaba yama-T_V rights and it's sad uma ngiyibona yenzeka and the saddest thing enye ukuthi for lama-team amancane they really need this money bafowethu ukuthi bakwazi ukuzi-sustain-a because kunzima ukurana i-team. I was reading something ukuthi iBafana Bafana beyikhempe eDurban, ehhotela labo laphana la bebahlala khona. Baspe iZimbabwe because iZimbabwe i-hoste iBafana Bafana, iZimbabwe beyise-home. I-team yase-home ekumele i-hoste i-team ya-away. iZimbabwe yiyo ekhokhe 1 million rands bafowethu for iBafana Bafana ukuthi ihlale ehhotela laphana uMhlanga. Hhayi, ngiyabona ukuthi kunzima kangakanani ukurana i-team. So imagine-ke ama-team aku-P_S_L kumele a-travel-e. That is why amanye maqeda ukudlala ama-game, away game, a-travel-a ngebhasi abuye same time. Uzibuze ukuthi hayi bo, abafana ba-dead laba ngoba bekadlala ePolokwane izolo, ufika kanjani eSoweto the next morning? Kanti ithe mayiphela igame bangene ebhasini babuye because of ama-team awanayo imali yokubhukha amahhotela for i-staff of abantu abayi-40 something. So yeah, yizo izinto lezi, but yeah, bekuyize-Kaizer Chiefs iy'ndaba but sengijampele nakwezinye kancane, but danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. So ngicela if like umuntu ufuna ngikhavare something, angitshele ukuthi ufuna ngikhavare ini, and then I'll definitely cover leyo topic leyo. Danko bafethu.